Same thing when it comes to partial fraction in 8c. Let us take a look at the degree of the numerator. It's 2. What is the degree of the denominator? Notice it's 3. So in this case, it satisfies the condition that this is a proper fraction. We can get started. And notice I can't factorize my denominator anymore. So we are ready to split into our partial fraction. Now, notice your first one is a linear factor, denominator. The second one is a quadratic denominator. When you have a linear denominator, it will just be a constant on top. When you have a quadratic denominator, please remember to write out bx plus c. Alright? After that, same thing, please multiply everything throughout by your original denominator, so that you are able to solve for your A, B, and C respectively. Okay, now let us get started. Okay, we can actually substitute values to make the bracket term be equal to 0. So in this case, I will let x be equal to negative 2/3. If you do some simple calculation, you notice the value of a will be equal to 2. We can also substitute other values inside. You can use x is equal to 1, you can use x be equal to 0, but I would like to use the one for the highest power first, which is comparing the coefficient of the highest power. Notice, I would like to compare the coefficient of x squared. In this case, 8 will be equal to a plus 3b. And a in this case is already equal to 2. So 3b is equal to 6. b must be equal to 2. Now, use the most convenient value of x is equal to 0 to actually find out the value of c in this case. If you do some simple calculation, your c will be equal to negative 3. With that, we are able to write out our partial fraction. And we are done for part C as well.